this video, I will show you how to make healthy oats moist chocolate cupcake. The plus point is that it is gluten-free, eggless and baked without oven. So let's get started. In the bowl, I have some chocolate cubes, powdered sugar, half spoon baking powder, 2 pinch of meetha soda, 2 spoons of oil, powdered oats. Plain oats available in the market are powdered with the help of blender. 1 cup of orange juice and cocoa powder. Also, please note that the bowls used for measurement are not completely filled. The measurement is equivalent to 1 cup. Now we will mix all the ingredients, starting with the oats powder, then the baking powder and meetha soda. Put 3 spoons of cocoa powder, oil and sugar. Now mix all the dry ingredients very well. Now pour the orange juice little by little. We want the batter not to be very thin and neither very thick. Blend the orange juice with all the dry ingredients till we reach the consistency as given in the video. Water can be used in case orange juice is not available at home. Quick tip: in case you feel your batter is very runny or thin, you can put some more oats powder to reach the consistency in the video. Take small steel katoris and grease with few drops of oil so that the cake can come out smoothly once done. Now dust the chocolate and the katoris with little meitha. Meitha is used in chocolate cubes so that the cubes does not sink deep down in the katoris. Now start pouring the batter. Initially put 2 spoons and then tap to remove any bubbles. Now put chocolate cubes at the center and cover the chocolate cubes with 2 more spoons of batter. Repeat the same steps for filling other containers. With the quantity mentioned in my video, 3 to 4 cupcakes can be prepared. Containers should only be half filled to give enough space for cake to rise. Instead of baking, I have chosen to steam my cakes, which will give them a very creamy moist texture. For steaming, use any pan with stand inside. Water level should be less than the level of the stand. Keep the containers when the water is steaming hot and cover with the lid. Steaming time is 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame. Your cupcakes are ready at this moment. Open the lid and keep aside the cakes for 3 to 4 minutes for cooling purpose. I have decorated my plate using cocoa powder. Now take the container and empty it upside down. Cake is ready to be served. Can you see how soft, creamy and chocolatey our cake has turned out?